everybody, this is your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm just going to give you a very quick and easy tip how to pick your tomatoes. You can see here between the tomato there's a little joining. Let me give you a better look. A little joining just about there. And I've seen people just rip them off and turn the tomatoes, and really sometimes that doesn't help the tomato. You're actually causing a lot of distress to the plant. The best way to do this is by actually putting your thumb here where the joining is, right there guys, and just push towards it and pull towards you. So let's show you guys again on a different one here. So you see the joining here guys, in between my thumb and my nail there is the joining just right there. Let's give you guys a better close-up. Right there, all you have to do is push onto that joining and pull towards you, or pull towards your body, and look how nice and easy that is. So let me show you again. I'm gonna just find a nicer, beautiful tomato that's ready to pick, because I'm actually picking them early. I want to make sure I get my tomatoes looking amazing, and I don't want to lose them because obviously it's starting to get to that chilly time of the year. Look again guys, this is a beautiful tomato right here, and you see the joining. Just push with your thumb, pull towards your body, and look how nice and easy and quickly you can pick some beautiful, amazing tomatoes. And that is it. This is your boy Mr. Green Hands. A quick tip how to harvest tomatoes, quick and easy, and you do not cause the plant any discomfort, and you get some great vegetable. In this case, it's a fruit. Tomato is a fruit, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you love what I'm doing, and share me out. You never know where I can go.